when you go to a party, right, and the drinks are finished, everybody disappears, right? So it's the same as the users.
That's very
So
true.
you want to make sure you always have some drink to give to the user, right? You always want to be able to give them something that they can come back and actually engage with, right?
This is the problem that the whole industry has, and you're talking about it quite a lot. So tell me more.
Yeah, so I sleep, eat, and dream about long-term progression.
Exactly.
The only thing I think about is long-term progression. So what we do is we have a big data team that takes all the data from our clients and sees the sessions, the revenue that we're generating. And if something drops off, we can see that basically dropping off at a certain moment, right? And that's where our version 3 of our SDK is launching very soon, is that's where basically we have engagement based on churn. So what we do is we analyze when the user is churning, and then we basically engage them, right? We give them an extra drink at that moment just to get them to reactivate, right? And we can predict when they're not achieving those KPIs on day 30, day 60, day 90, a longer term engagement, or even longer than that, using machine learning and LTV prediction.
How does the engagement campaign look like?
So it's basically like a little pop-up that comes up for the user when they come back into the app, or push notification that happens from our SDK. And we basically push that, hey, we have a limited time offer. You have 2 hours to finish this, right? There's a little progression to get them back into the game, because sometimes they play like 5 or 10 games, right, on an offer wall. And they just need to get reintroduced to the game and keep playing a little bit.
Keep playing again.
And then they start progressing again to that point, right? So it's just like when you go to a party, right, and you want to leave, if they just say like, hey, here's one more last drink for
wait
you.
a second. Yeah.